One of the big issues that composites industries have got is the unfortunate wastage that happens. Often parts are not discovered to be faulty until after they've been finished. At that point, of course, not only do you scrap the part, but you've actually wasted the time in making the part.
So what LayupRITE does is it lets you take a CAD model designed by an engineer and their sort of simulations, their maths, and put that then directly onto the shop floor, directly onto the tool projected. And then a camera system then tracks what the user's doing, so they can interact with the instruction set to further it and follow it along. And then their actions are recorded for better traceability and reliability. So to make sure that the laminators followed the intent of the designer the right way every time.
From a purely learning point of view, it's taken out the guesswork, it's taken out as a lot of laminators, myself included, found the first time you do a job, you generally scrap that job because something's gone wrong. So by having something that's going to point you in the right direction to start with, it's going to give you a good overall sort of starting point.
The LayupRITE project allows learners to get hands-on right away. Even people without understanding of how to lay up can simply begin following the instructions given to you right in front of your eyes.
The UK composites industry is set to grow very rapidly, and where LayupRITE fits in, it can help both accelerate and improve the quality of training to provide the workforce that is necessary to support that level of growth.